Hey guys, it's me again, and today I want to say something that I'm pretty sure I've said already, but I just want to reiterate it because, probably when I said it at first it missed somebody, and today when I said, I catch somebody that, it never caught at first. But please understand and listen to me. People pleasing is a curse. The moment you find yourself losing your moral compass to go out of your way to try to fix yourself to please people, then you're in trouble. You're headed down the wrong path. It's very imperative that we look good, from the sole of our heads to the crowns of our feet. It's very important to look good. I like looking good, but guess what? Best believe that I'm not gonna go out of my way to please anybody. You understand? And looking good nowadays, it's not expensive. It's not expensive to look good nowadays. But because some of you want hype, you want the Louis, the Gucci, the Brazilian, the Peruvian, the Malaysian, everything, the Burberry, you name it, you want everything that will draw the attention of people. It's just sad, and it's a problem. Nothing wrong, listen and understand me. Nothing is wrong if you have your money and you can fund your kind of behavior. But when you're gonna go borrow from people, when you're gonna steal, and when you're gonna take all of what you have, all and sacrifice your needs to feed a want, then it becomes a problem. Please understand and see where you're going wrong. It's just so common nowadays. I'm seeing it all around. Just to take a few pictures to put on the gram, the book, WhatsApp. What sense does it make? And when you go home and you're hungry, you're pitting them hungry. You hide from landlord. You can't pay a car note. Certain things. What sense does it make? Be comfortable with you and what you have. And for those who truly love and genuinely care about you, then what you have shouldn't matter. All these things are vanity. But as I'm saying, we have to put on clothes because we can't go road naked. Adam and Eve, done make we can't do that already. So if you do have to, look good and go road, it doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be expensive. And not wrong if you have your good credit and you want to yourself to expensive something, but you can pay it back. But someone on take on a credit card and max them just to look good. For take 2 pictures, for put on Instagram, for get a few likes. I don't think that's sad. You're the sadder partner. Yes, one time some of them can't get the likes them. There are apps that I did not even know about until recently. Apps where you can buy followers and buy likes. Baby, if me have to buy them, I don't want them. Me don't want them. You understand me? And for you mothers and fathers out there, I'm going to tell you no. You understand? It don't make no sense. You look good and you pick them not look good. I tell you now already. You see, if you see me looking, so just understand that I pick them I look 10 times better. Because they weren't asked to be here. We brought them here. It's our responsibility to ensure that they look good, them smell good, them feel good, everything healthy and alright about them. You understand me? It's not about you anymore. So stop borrow people money. Stop putting yourself in a situation where you can't take yourself out of financial situations. Someone who wants they have fun and have big Benz address, want to go run, go take out the Benz, and when you're done, when you to get fun up here a week time or bi-weekly, everything got at the car mart. Everything gone at the dealership because guess what? You have to pay for fund on a habit for please people. Now stop and so you're going to end up. Stop. Be comfortable with you. Be comfortable within your own skin. We don't ever go about the fake butt and the fake titty. That's for them business. This is the thing is, I don't care what you want to do. But if you're robbing your needs to fund your wants, then you're in problem. It's your body. Do whatever you want to do. But don't rob yourself to please people. Don't rob your kids to please people. Who not like you or you are, that's their problem. If them have a problem with where you are, where and where you live and where you drive, make them bite then simple. And then some woman have some man where, you say to them, you say to yourself, boy, baby, something look nice, and then you hear say, and then me bite and the man bite. Well, you can't ask the man for the money. I understand that I know that there are a lot of men out there. They rather to buy you stuff than give you the money. But if a man truly love you and respect you, he will not take your money and buy you the most expensive things when you practically not live now and you're putting them hungry. Tell him get the money. If he can't get the money, make him go on about your business. Clothes can't eat. Clothes can't live in her. Ear can't live in her. Ear can't eat. Understand on yourself. Know no value. Know no worth. It's all about you. You have to love yourself. And then everybody else will love you after. And to hell with who don't love you. But stop robbing yourself just to look good, to take a few pictures for social media. People see them today and then tomorrow them just gone down at the bottom and feel that nobody looks for them. Alright? So on that note, have yourself a wonderful day. And remember, people pleasing is a curse.